Hello guys, so a lot of people saw when I uploaded this picture on my status, and they asked me, a lot of people were asking me, coach, how did you do this thing? How did you do it? It's called mock-up, right? That's what I think they call it. So but I haven't actually uploaded a mock-up picture like this on Amazon, but it's something you can try. All right, so I'm going to drop the link under this video. I'm going to drop the link on how you can access it. I actually got to know about this thing from my students. Okay, so I'm going to drop this link under it. Once you get to this place, once you click on the link, it's going to show you this place. So you see different ways you can design it, different method you can choose to design your mock-up picture. So let's say I go for this one that is here. Okay, there is a single one and there is a composite one. This composite one, maybe you want it to be into two, into three, or something. Maybe you have other personal thing you're using it for, but I want to go for the single one. And let's say I'm going for this second one here. You click on it. Look, I've clicked on it now. Then click next. You come here, click on browse. Let me select the actual picture itself. It should be here. Okay, the main picture, that's what I want to select. Then once you click on browse, see it's showing 0% here. Click on upload, then it will start uploading here. See that 0% have changed to 100%, right? Then you click on next. Now you select the format you want it to save in, either JPEG or PNG. I'm going for JPEG. It's automatically going to download. Now see, it's downloading file. Then open. This is it. See, it has changed to this. Okay, our normal picture, our normal design has changed to this. Okay, so now I've never tried uploading this thing on Amazon before, yet I see people uploading it. But if I were you and I want to upload it on Amazon, you know Amazon doesn't accept this size, so you'd want to take it to Canva to resize it to the size Amazon wants us to use. So let's go to my Canva. Let's go to my Canva. So again, if you come to your Canva, it should be like this. So what you need to do is to click on the plus sign. Let me go back so you see. Click on this plus sign here. Okay, custom size. Click on custom size. 625 width, height 1000 px. Then create new design. Once you click on create new design, I'm going to allow it to load. Let me allow it to load. Then okay, so this is how it should be. It's blank like this. Click on this plus sign, click on upload, then upload file, device, file. It should be on download. This is it here. I have to redo it again because I've uploaded it before. So this is it. You just click on it, and if I were you, I'll just click on use as background, set image as background. See, now it has become the actual size Amazon wants. I think you can use this thing for Amazon. You can actually try it. Maybe I'll try it on my next book I'm going to publish, but you can actually try it like this, and you've gotten yourself a mock-up. Please, when you now want to do your paperback, don't go and carry this thing like this and do paperback. Use your original file for paperback. Okay, you can actually publish your Kindle like this. I think it's safe. I think, emphasis on I think, because I haven't tried it. It's safe. Since you've resized it, the cover, everything still maintains original, right? There is no picture here, nothing. So it should be safe, and we've resized it. So if you want to do your what's it called, your paperback, please maintain this original design. Maintain the original design. Make sure you maintain the original design, which is this one I have here. This is my original design. Use it to do your paperback. Don't go and do I pass myself and go and use this mock-up to do paperback and hardcover. Do you understand? Good luck.